Now there, you must have heard the scripture. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways, acknowledge Him, and He will direct your paths. Now, it's difficult to actually trust in the Lord with all your heart. I know you're smart. I know you're intelligent. I know you have your ways. You need to have some level of certainty before you do some things. But here's the trick. He's not asking you not to use your brain. He's not asking you not to use your understanding, your mind. He's asking you not to lean on that because He has a higher understanding. So you're not just trusting in the Lord doing nothing, folding your hands. Mind you, when He directs your path, is better than your smart move. Always better than a smart move. He will tell you what to do, how to go about it, then your faith is boosted. Because in that situation, when you have some level of certainty, then you don't need faith. But sometimes you would find out that in this situation, God is wanting you not to have a second option. And that path is the best path, rather than your own way, rather than your own. God bless.